Holy moly. 11:04. I could probably use that at the second job scheduled for today. Whole bunch of little tree volunteer limb removals. But I'm not going to haul away the wood. I'm going to stack it up at the side of the road. If anybody wants it, they can come by and get it. If the city wants to haul it off, they can. So, after I go get Mr. Helper today in the green Ram truck, I'll come back and we'll boogie over there and do another leaf mulching. Because we sure as hell got some glorious leaf mulchings done yesterday. Glorious leaf mulchings. I could get them in that car. But 98. Yeah, that's a 99 Ford Taurus. 99 Ford Taurus and 98 Dodge Ram and 93 F-150. We got it going on, right? They all running now, good. And I told Mr. Helper I'd be there at 8:30 to pick him up. And it's a little after 8:15 now, so let's unlock the gate and go get him. Do 2 jobs today. Woo-wee! It's gonna be a good day. The BR600 won't crank up, Matt. Help! Holy moly. 1 volunteer removed. And of course, what does it cost? Blood, sweat, and tears. Damn it. Holy moly. All right. We got a bunch to do back there. Go. Get it, boy. All right. Get your hat on. Get your saws back there. Go, go, go. Holy moly, Jacqueline. You got it going on. Working on getting these lights down. Because that limb there, they're going to fall down and bust them all loose. So we're going to disconnect it there, pull it out, place it on the ground, and saw it down. But yeah, look at there. Look how much better it's looking already. Look at there, look at there. All right, I think it's working. All right, I didn't use that pole saw to cut 2 of those limbs short. But look at there. 3 great big old Stihl chainsaws. 2 electric, 1 gasoline. Look what we got done. All right, Thomas, let's do that. The last 2 cuts. Get this shit out of here and go. Boom. I was gonna make for a filthy potty mouth video, but